Hey guys, it's Key, and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today is day 3 of the small account challenge. And guess what, guys? I grew it again. This is the third day green, right? So I grew the account 111% today, trading 2 stocks. I traded BBBY and I also traded BWV. Yes, I traded BWV, and it was a great day. And I don't think I'm gonna trade anymore. I might, but who knows. But we're gonna do the recap. As you guys know, in my last video, check it out, I'm gonna put in the description. I have been saying I'm not fully comfortable with the platform, and I'm slowly getting there. And today I feel very comfortable. I'm getting back into my groove and I'm making profit, right? And I like the way how the market is moving. The market is being very volatile. There's a lot of opportunities, and I'm gonna take the opportunity to help grow this account. This is not a race, it's a marathon, so I'm taking base hits. Even though the market is showing home run potentials, but some of those I missed out, like AKA, it was Sava. Sava went crazy, and I'm gonna show you when we get to the chart. But also, if you guys want some context on why I started the small account challenge, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you guys can check that out as well. And you can watch my other videos to see, learn some stuff or see my recaps and all that stuff. And also, you can also join me on, you can join me on my Patreon, where I will be doing live videos, and I will be uploading my live trading of me trading stocks. So if you guys want to be a part of the member or be a part of the team, the Key Life Trading team, you can either subscribe for free, or you could go to my Patreon where you get some exclusive stuff. But anyways, enough of that. Let's jump into the charts. So here you have EAR. This one I was going to trade, but I missed my entry. But let's go to the first trade that I took. And the first trade I took was on BBBY. So anyways, we had BBBY, right? BBBY. And I'm going to pull up my trade so I can tell you exactly what I did. All right, now, so BBBY. Why is it not up? Okay, there it is. I traded BBBY pre-market, and right now it's a little bit choppy. It don't look as presentable, and I was looking to take another trade on it, but it's still not. It's holding up, but it's still not, to my liking, right? So let's remove these drawings. So anyways, I got in BBBY with 192 shares. Actually, with 192 shares at the price of $25.80, right? So this was around, let me zoom in so you guys can see properly. It was $25.80. Let me remove this. So it's $25.80. So it was around here. Around $25.80. So around here, I got in. Actually, it was here, $25.80. And from $25.80, it went all the way up. But I took profit because in the beginning, it's showing that BBBY was being very swingy, very whippy. And as you can see right here, this is the 5-minute chart. It went down and then it went up. And I'm going to show you on the 1-minute chart after I show you my entries and exits. So I got in at 25.80, right? So around here. And then from here, it went all the way up to what price? $26.47. So $26.47 right here, around here, in this 5-minute candle, and I took profit right there. And this is what I'm saying. I left a lot on the table because it even went to the high of $27.64, and I could have made at least a good probably $300 to $400 on this trade. And if I would have held it all the way to 29 and change, probably would have been a $500 trade. On this trade, I made how much profit? I made $126 on that trade. And I was very pleased with the trade. It was a good entry, and I rode the momentum, got in and got out, right? So the reason why I didn't hold my position was because BBBY was very whippy. Look at this. On this 1-minute chart, it went down, and then it went all the way back up to 30 and came all the way down and created a wick. And then as you can see, there's a lot of resistance at that 30 price range, and it can't break. And yesterday it went from 28 and it went all the way down and retraced, and then pre-market it started going back up and started building some more momentum, going up. And then after it touched the 30, it went up, fail, tried it again when the market opened and failed, and then now it's going down. Hopefully tomorrow, well, maybe tomorrow you'll probably get another pullback, and then the next day you'll probably get a retest of 30, and maybe if it break 30, we can see a big squeeze, because 30 is a very important area. So if it break 30, I feel like this can go even to $40, but we'll see. Can't predict the future, only assuming, but let's see, right? So the next trade I took was BWV. Right, let's type that in. BWV right here. So BWV was going crazy in the open market, when market open, and even pre-market was kind of climbing up as well. And I didn't take that trade because it was like light volume. I did see it, but it was light volume. So when the market opened, I see that it was ripping up. I think it has news. Let me see. Okay. Yes, it does have news. So it's a Blue Water vaccine announced exploration of its virus-like particles, VPN, blah blah blah. Anyways, it was decent news. I just read the headline. I don't have to read the whole thing. But anything with like virus and stuff like that, you could think of FDA approval and things like that. In the atmosphere, when you have news like that, 9 out of 10 times it will make a good move, especially if it's good progress, right? So it started going up and got a pullback, and I missed this entry. But you know, one of the things is like, I'm trying my best not to have FOMO. No, I'm trying to stay away from the FOMO, right? So I sat on my hand and I'm like, I'm not taking the trade until I get a good valid pullback. So it came all the way back down to this EMA, and it started to consolidate, and it started to stair step. If you see, it consolidate, stair step up, consolidate, and then when I seen the break of right here, which is the resistant, once I see the break of the resistant, I took my trade, and I think I got in a little bit early, anticipating the resistant. My light turned off. Sorry about that. But anyways, camera's still working. That's all that matters. But anyways, let's see my entries. So I got in BWV with 229 shares at the price of 433, right? And I rode the momentum, so that will be 433. That would be right here. Look at the cross. It might not be on point, but look at the cross here, right here. Right here. I got it right here. So basically anticipating the break of the resistant right here, which is the high of 438, and it broke through and it went, and I took profit at 450, right? I could have made a little bit more, and I'm gonna have to get used to holding my my size or my position long enough to at least absorb enough of the profit. And I was very pleased with that trade as well. So today was a wonderful trading day. So let me see. Let's see. So that trade was like a 17-cent profit gain, and that was good. It was potentially could have been a 20-cent gain, but I sold as quick as possible. And the reason why I'm selling as quick as possible is because I just want to get base hit, build some cushion on this account. And when I have the cushion, now I can play around a little bit more, because now I know I have some cushion to, hold me just in case if I do take a big loss or unusual size loss, when I'm trading. So the stock that was going crazy, which was Sava, and I missed out so bad. I was a little bit feeling FOMO. There was some FOMO, and that was if you're a trader, I'm pretty sure you went through that phase, or you still have that phase of FOMO. Look at this. This went from $26, not 26, from $24 all the way to $34.87. That is crazy, right? And if I was supposed to trade, and I know it's, you know, in hindsight, if I was supposed to trade, I probably would have took the trade either here at the break of 26 or the break of the higher day. And as you can see, it went all the way up. And I had a feeling that, you know, if we don't get a pullback anytime soon, which we didn't, that it was gonna fall basically the whole day, because there was no pullback at all during this trade. It just went straight up, and this was very extended. So when I seen that it was pulling back without holding certain levels, I was like, wow, this was the type of trade I was saying is basically a home run opportunity. And if I would have taken this trade in this range, I could have doubled my account in one trade. But it is what it is. Can't complain. Just gotta wait till I get another opportunity and try my best not to miss out. Doesn't mean I'm gonna just jump in wildly without being strategic, because that's one of the things that happens when you miss certain trades. You go in the market eager to jump in, and because you're scared of losing an opportunity, but you have to be strategic when you're trading. You don't want to see the first thing you see pop up excuse me, you see pop up, you just want to jump in. You have to have a strategic plan, right? So you have to be disciplined, and that's one of the things I'm doing right now. I have to be disciplined, keep my losses small, try to make as much gain, and just start stepping, base hit when the account is at a nice, decent size with some good cushion. Now I can step up, be a little bit more aggressive, and make some profit. So as you can see, I grew my account 111% today, trading two stocks, which was BBBY and BWV. And that's it, guys. I might trade. Well, probably not. I might close my platform, enjoy myself, or probably look at some charts, study some more, you know. But that's about it, guys. Also, guys, check out my videos. I have a lot of videos that you guys could check out. You know, comment leave in the comment section how much you guys made today in trading. Talk to me. Have any question? Leave it in the comment. I'll get back to you guys. So hopefully you guys like and subscribe. Hopefully you guys could join me on this journey, see how I'm trading. It's Key Life Trading. I'm out. Peace.